Arthur's point of view. Yunmin and their parents left grandparents' house. They all were waiting at the airport for their flights. As usual, Jimin was full chaotic. He was shouting and running here and there without worrying about anything. Yoongi was patiently watching his activities. Mr. and Mrs. Min were super happy to come here because here they got lots of happiness. They already lost all the hope to get Yoongi's love back, but Jimin gave them their son back. Not only this, he gave them double happiness by changing Yoongi's cold and angry behavior. Yunmin bid Mr. and Mrs. Min with mixed feelings. They were happy to spend their time with their parents, but sad too because they don't wanna leave them. Yunmin went to their destination. It was very cold place where Yoongi brought Jimin. Jimin didn't expect this. He almost got freeze because he wasn't wearing too much warm clothes. They both went to their hotel where receptionist informed them that their room wasn't ready and exchanged their room with honeymoon suite. Jimin was super happy because he doesn't know what is honeymoon suite. He desperately wanna see it. Let's see what happens next. Receptionist, here is your key. Gave him a card. Happy honeymoon, sir. Jimin happily, thank you so much. Yoongi, shh, I told you na, keep quiet. Bellboy, sir, this way please. Note, bellboy is an attendant who carries kids' luggage till their rooms. Jimin, hug their luggage. Yoon, see, he's stealing our luggage. Yoongi pulled him towards himself. Come here and let him do his work. Jimin, what are you saying, Yoon? Yoongi, he is a bellboy. He will take our luggage to our room, okay? Now follow him. Jimin, okay, still keeping his eyes on him. Bellboy took them to their room and left. Jimin, Yoon, give me the key. I will open the door. Yoongi gave him a card. Okay, open it. Jimin looked at the card. What's this? I asked key and you gave me card. Yoongi, it's key. Jimin, do you think me as a fool who doesn't know the difference between key and card? I'm telling you that receptionist made you fool. Yoongi, stop talking nonsense. It's a key. Took the card from his hand and tapped on the door's handle. Now open the door. Jimin, do you think me as a fool? How can it open without key? Push the door and it opened. How's this possible? Yoongi, now come inside. Jimin, here is all dark. I told you not that receptionist made you fool. She gave us defective room. Yoongi, wait, let me turn on the lights. Jimin, but here isn't any switch. Then how will you turn on the lights? Yoongi, you just wait and watch. Put the card on a card holder and lights turned on automatically. Jimin, super shocked. How's that possible? Turned around and eyes widened to see the Yawn! Screamed his lungs out. Yoongi turned around. Now what happened? Why are you shouting like this? Jimin, point on bed. What's that? Yoongi, oh, those were swans. Jimin, swans? Yoongi, go and see. It made by dolls. Till now, they both didn't notice the decoration. Jimin went near the bed. Oh yeah, these are dolls. I thought they are real. I was scared without any reason. Silly me. Nervously laughed. But what are they doing here? Yoongi gulped hard. Now how can I explain him? What did this swan made up like this? Said in mind. Jimin, Yoon, tell me na. Pin's hard. Yoongi, it's for decoration only. It's no meaning. Ignore it, okay? Arthur, what should he ignore until when? It's only starting. The real fun is yet to come. Enjoy your question answer session. We all love it, right guys? This time we aren't going anywhere. We will enjoy everything. We love to see when this cat gets nervous. Jimin, okay. Took the tall swan in his hands. Yoon, see, this left swan is me and right one is you, okay? Yoongi immediately turned around and blushed hard on his statement. Jimin doesn't know anything, but Yoongi knows everything. Jimin, Yoon, why did you turn your face to the side? Yoongi turned to him, nothing. Jimin finally looked at the decoration. Yoon, why here is so many candles and that too in glass? Yoongi gulped hard. The decoration, I told you na, ignore it. Jimin, maybe they don't have lights here. I told you na, they gave us defective room. Gave the tall swan to him. Take them. Yoongi held the tall swans. Thank God they didn't put roses on the bed. Jimin, Yoon, this bed is looking so comfortable. I love this heart full of roses. It looks like real. It's so beautiful, na? Yoongi, it is. Jimin jumped on the bed. Let me check. It is comfortable or not. As soon as Jimin jumped on the bed and reached under the big heart opened and rose petals started falling on him. Jimin was happily started giggling and Yoongi was admiring his beauty. How beautiful he looks with roses. His heart is beating in super fast speed. He couldn't take off his eyes from Jimin, who almost buried in rose petals. All the petals spread on bed and floor. Rose petals, candles, Jimin's giggling voice and shiny happy face made him all crazy. He started losing his senses. He came back in his senses when he heard Jimin shout. Jimin shouts, Yoon, help me na! I can't sit. Yoongi placed the tall swan on the couch. Wait, I'm coming. He went near him to help but froze at his place to see Jimin's like this. He wasn't looking his cute kid. He was looking like Min Jimin, who is damn hot and sexy, who was driving crazy just by his look without doing anything. Jimin was laying there while closing his eyes. Rose petals was all over on his body. Yoongi, beautiful. He started removing the rose petals from him. Yoongi's slightest touch gave Jimin shiver and butterflies started dancing on his stomach. He removed all the rose petals on his face. At last he blowed and all the rose petals fell on the bed. Now he is looking even more beautiful in messy hairs and parted lips. Yoongi, it's all mine and only mine. He lay down beside him and started admiring his beauty. He already lost his all the senses. Jimin opened his eyes and looked at him. Who is only yours? Yoongi looked into his eyes. You are only mine. Jimin, who said this? I'm all the Omas, Appas, Jinny Hangi, Juni Hangi, Sir T, and Cookie too. I'm not only yours. Yoongi immediately hovered over him and pinned his both the hands over his head. No, you are only mine. You're all the Omas have Appas, June has Jinny Hang, T has Cook, and I have you. Understand? Said in deep voice and directly looking into his eyes. Jimin, little bit scared. Understood. Yoongi, now tell me, whom do you belong? Jimin, what if I don't tell? Yoongi smirked. Then I will bite you. Jimin, wait, you can't bite me. Yoongi, do you really think so? Wait, let me show you demo. He started coming more closer to him. Jimin, no, I'm yours. I'm only yours. Yoongi patted his cheeks. Good boy, now get up. Jimin, how do I get up? First, leave my hands now. Cute pout. Yoongi gently pinched on his nose. Okay. He stepped down on the floor and helped Jimin to get up too. Jimin, you are so mean. You held my hand so tightly. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. Really? Wait, let me check. Started coming closer to him. Jimin, no, it's fine. swas at the table and went there. What's this? Yoon, see here's juices. Come and drink. It will give us energy. His lips touched on the glass and he was about to drink the champagne, but Yoongi quickly snatched it from his hand. Jimin, Yoon, why did you snatch my juice? See, here is your glass too. Drink yours and give me mine. Yoongi, forget about it. Neither I am going to drink this nor you. Don't even think about to drink this. Jimin, wait, grab the bottle. See, here is full bottle. Yoongi, you can't drink it because it's the champagne. You aren't allowed to drink alcohol. Jimin, angry. Then why did they send it to our room when they know I can't drink this? I will sue them. Angrily shouts. Yoongi, calm down, my angry bird. They can't handle your anger. Jimin, just because of you, I'm leaving them. Grabbed something. What's this? Can I eat them? Yoongi, it's strawberries poured in chocolates. Jimin, that means I can eat this. Grabbed one strawberry to eat. Yoongi snatched the strawberry from his hand. Wait. Jimin, now why did you snatch it? Don't tell me. I can't eat this too. Yoongi, wait, first let me eat and check. Took the first bite. Jimin looked at him. How's it? Yoongi, tasty. Jimin quickly snatched it from his hand and ate it. It's so tasty. Yoongi, hey, that's mine. Jimin, no, it's all mine. You will be fat if you eat all of these things. I promise to woman up that I will take care of you. I can't make you fat, na. Yoongi, you are such a drama king. Have the strawberries. I don't wanna eat. Jimin, while eating the strawberries, I won't allow you to eat. Yoongi, first finish your mouth, then talk. Otherwise, you will choke it. Jimin, finally finished it. I won't allow you to eat. Yoongi, yeah, why not? Jimin happily went to washroom while hopping and giggling, but within 10 seconds he returned back while shouting. Jimin, Yoon! Yoongi, now what happened? Why are you shouting? Jimin, come with me! Started dragging him. Yoongi, yeah, I'm coming. Why are you dragging me? Finally they reached at the washroom. Jimin, see? Yoongi, what should I see? Jimin jumped inside the washroom, then room. This! Yoongi, crossed arm. So you drag me here to see how do you jump? Jimin touched his forehead. Yoon, what happened to you? Yoongi, what are you doing? Stay still. Jimin, I'm checking, is your brain alright or got corrupt by my bean-sized brain? Yoongi, shut up and tell me, why did you drag me here? Jimin, can't you see here is no door? I'm telling you that receptionist gave us defective room. Yoongi, she didn't give us defective room. Jimin put his hands on his waist. Then tell me, why is there no door? Yoongi, because in honeymoon suite there is no door in washroom. Jimin, eyes widened. What? But wait! Yoongi, now how will I make him understand that in honeymoon couple doesn't need any privacy with each other, said in mind. Jimin, tell me now, how will we use washroom? Yoongi, open the curtain. We can use curtains, okay? Jimin, okay. By the way, you know everything about honeymoon suite. How? Raised his one eyebrow. With whom you come here? Yoongi flicked his finger on his forehead. Stop your nonsense. It's my first time to stay in honeymoon suite. Jimin, then how do you know? Yoongi, I checked it before coming here. Jimin turned around and got shocked to see big bathtub which was filled with rose petals and beautifully decorated by candles. And through the big glass window you can see whole city's beautiful views. Jimin, Yoon! Yoongi covered his ears by his hands. I'm next to you. Why are you shouting? Jimin, Yoon, see this bathtub is so big. Yoongi, it's not bathtub, it's called jacuzzi. Jimin, it's same Yoon. I think roses are so cheap here. That's why they brought this much roses to waste. are super innocent, Jim. Yoongi, leave it. You won't understand it. Jimin, Yoon, why is here big window? What if anyone see me when I take bath then? Yoongi, it's only one side mirror. Don't worry, Jimin. One side mirror means Yoongi means only you can see outside through the window, but from outside no one can see inside. Did you understand? Jimin, yeah, understood. But why did they make this washroom this much luxury? Yoongi, because it's honeymoon suite na and about candles. So, Jimin, I know. Why did they use candles? Yoongi, oh really? Please enlighten me too. Jimin, it's simple, Yoon. They don't have enough money for electricity because they use their all the money to buy roses. That's why they use candles in the name of decorations. See how much intelligent I am? Yoongi patted his back. You are genius. Now let's go to room, okay? Jimin, okay. Time skipped after some times. Yoongi already arranged their clothes in the cupboard and took a bath. He was getting ready to go outside. Jimin, Yoon, where are you going? Yoongi, I'm going to restaurant to give the order for our dinner. Jimin, wait, I'm also coming. I'm very hungry. Yoongi, no need to go anywhere. Outside is very cold. You will be freeze. Jimin, and you won't you freeze? Yoongi, no, I'm not because I'm wearing enough clothes. You go and take bath. Till then, I will order our food. Jimin, but come back soon. Yoongi ruffles his hairs. Don't worry, I will be back. Don't go anywhere, okay? Jimin, why do you always tell me don't go anywhere? Where can I go? Pout. Yoongi smiled. I said because I know my kid. Jimin looked at him with cute angry pout. One and only kid. Yoongi, yeah, my one and only kid can't stay at same place for more time. He always wanna run here and there. Now stays here until I come back, okay? Jimin, okay. Suddenly remembered something and shouts, Yoon! Yoongi, shh. Keep quiet. Why are you shouting? I can hear you. Jimin, I remembered something important. Yoongi, now what important thing you remembered? Jimin, did you call Oma and Appa? They told us to call them when we reached at our destination. Yoongi, not yet. Jimin, then call them. They must be waiting for our call. Yoongi, I will call them on the way. You just go and take bath. I will be back soon. With that, he left from there, leaving Jimin all alone in the room. At the reception, Yoongi Street came to reception to order their food. Before ordering their food, he wanna check it everything by himself as he came here for the first time, so he doesn't know anything about their food. He wants to make sure that here's food doesn't affect Jimin's stomach as it is the cold reason, so they use alcohol such as wine in their food to keep themselves warm. I heard it somewhere but not sure about it. But Yoonmin don't drink, so he can't take any risk. Yoongi, excuse me ma'am. Receptionist, yes sir, how may I help you? Yoongi, actually I want to order our food. Receptionist, for that you don't need to come here sir. You can order your meal from your room. Menu is in room and room service number 2. Yoongi, yeah I know that, but as we came here for the first time and we never eat here's food before, so I don't know anything about this, so can you please tell me which food is good for us? Receptionist, no problem sir, I will help you. Give him menu. Here is menu. Tell me what do you wanna order? I will tell you about their ingredients. Yoongi, thank you so much. Actually, me and my husband, we both are non-alcoholic persons, so we can't drink. Please make sure there isn't any alcohol in our meal. Receptionist, oh, okay sir. I will inform this to our chef. But sorry to say sir, you have to drink if you wanna survive here. Please don't take me wrong, but without alcohol, you can't keep your body warm. It's very hard here. Yungi, I know that. Thanks for concern, but we can't drink. Tell me the dishes which help us to keep our body warm. Receptionist, sure sir, you can order this, this and this. Suggest some dishes name. Yungi, thank you so much. Where can we visit? I mean, what's famous here? Receptionist, here is lots of places which you can visit as you are honeymoon couple. So I think you should visit some romantic places where you can do romance with each other. Yungi's cheeks burnt and turned deep shade of red just by hearing romance. Our cat is so shy now. He remembered how beautiful Jimin looked with fully covered with rose petals. Honeymoon. This word gave him shiver and thousands of butterflies started dancing inside his stomach just by hearing this word. He was so lost in Jimin's dream. Receptionist. Sir, excuse me, sir. Yungi flinched hard. Yes, sorry, I was just zooming out. I didn't hear. What did you say? Can you please repeat it? Receptionist smiled. Of course, sir, it's not your fault. Honeymoon couple always lost in each other's dreams. Yungi, are you married? Receptionist, 5 years ago, but why did you ask? Yungi, not for any wrong intention. Actually, I want you to make a list. What should we do here? Where should we go? What should we eat? Something like this. If you don't have any problem. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? Do you think our chimney can stay there without creating any mess? Wanna see more romance? Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. By watching today's episode, you all already understood that this trip isn't gonna like their previous trip. This will gonna totally different. Previous trip's reason was to meet Jimin with his grandparents, but this trip's reason is totally different. You will gonna see lots of new things and change in both of them behaviors. So get ready to become third wheel. We are also going to explore new things with Yunmin. This time that cat can't show us. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.